Dear friend, in this video, I will show you how to build your own multi-seller SaaS freelance marketplace like Fiverr in a weekend using the WpGig SaaS template. Requirements. 1. You must have a web hosting account ready to host your freelance marketplace business. If not, you need to purchase one with any web hosting service provider. 2. You need to purchase the WpGig SaaS Multiseller Freelance Marketplace Template with www.appdevbusiness.net. If you meet the above requirements, then you can proceed with the following easy step-by-step installation guide. Installation. Thank you for purchasing the WpGig SaaS Multiseller Freelance Marketplace like Fiverr with us. Your template is complete, fully functional, and easy to install. Just follow the instructions below. After purchasing the software, you will get a download link from where you will be able to access your purchase template. Download it as soon as possible using the link provided or from inside your account. You need to connect first for the second option. Once you have downloaded your file, wpgig_SaaS_freelance_marketplace_template.zip, unzip it. You will find inside the folder another zip file named wpgig_software.zip. Now upload wpgig.software on your server. Unzip in your main directory or as a subdomain or add-on on your server. Then rename the folder wpgig.software to match the subdomain name you want to use, or copy and paste or move its content to the folder of your domain name. Open htaccess using an HTML editor. Set the PHP version you would like to use in the following lines: line 18, line 26, line 34, and line 46. We recommend to leave it with default PHP version 7.4. If you've modified htaccess and the previous step, then you need to change the following files: user ini, line 14, and php ini, line 16, to match the change you've made in the previous step. If not, leave them as they are. Download on your computer the database script, WpGig database script, on your server. Open WpGig database script.sql with any text editing software, Notepad for example, to insert your payment settings. Update general settings, line 471, with your site name, business name, and business email. Update payment settings, line 928, with your PayPal and Stripe APIs credentials. Save and close WpGig database script.sql. Create a new database on your server using Control Panel, ccanal, and phpMyAdmin. Create a new user, admin with password for your database access. Make sure to note the full name of your database, the full name of the user, and the password of the user. We'll use them in later steps. Add the new user created in the previous step to your newly created database with all privileges. The database script WpGig database script.sql updated in steps 10 and 11. Set up and configure your domain name to point to the folder on your server where you've installed your template. You may decide to set up your software as an add-on or subdomain of an existing domain name. Open in the browser your website link or your add-on link or subdomain link, depending how you've installed your software, as a full domain, subdomain, or add-on. Your website is live if everything is set correctly. To administer your software, open in the browser www.yourdomain-name.com/admin_panel.login.php, then log in with admin credentials, email equals admin@gmail.com, password equals admin123$. Once logged in, you can start administer and customize your website or web app. Help you modify or update your template by yourself. Main, Home, Public folder. Open contact.php and replace wpgig.io with your domain name on lines 649 and 746. Save and close the file. Open order.php and replace WpGig.io on lines 289, 641, 979, and 1329. Save and close the file. Open privacy_policy.php and update lines 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, and 89 with your own content, business name, business email, etc. Save and close the file. Open stripe.config.php and update lines 13, 15, 17, and 19 with your own Stripe credentials. Close the file. Open db.php inside includes folder, then replace on line 3 username with your database username, user pass with your database password, and db name with your database name, noted in step 15. Save and close the file. Open footer.php inside includes folder and replace WpGig with your business name on line 144. Save and close the file. Open header.php inside includes folder and replace WpGig with your business name on line 136 and 1111. Save and close the file. Open register-login-forgot.php inside includes folder. Update line 285 with your business email and line 287 with your business name. Save and close the file. Open sendemail.php inside includes folder. Update line 1 with your business name. Save and close the file. Open user_header.php inside includes folder. Update line 209 with your business name and save and close the file. Admin area. Admin_panel_folder. Open db.php inside includes folder, then replace on line 3 username with your database username, user pass with your database password, and db name with your database name, noted in step 15. Save and close the file. Notes: the software works in all hosting environment, classic web hosting servers, shared hosting servers, cloud servers, and dedicated servers. It was tested with PHP versions 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 8.0, 8.1, and 8.2. Admin login. Email equals admin@gmail.com. Password seller developer login. Email equals developer@gmail.com. Password equals developer123. And seller designer login. Email equals designer@gmail.com. Password equals designer123. If you still need help with your installation, feel free to send us an email at support@appdevbusiness.net or support@wpgig.io. Once again, thank you for purchasing with us and